This tutorial video provides an overview of ISLG's Jurisprudence Citator. The Jurisprudence Citator enables you to instantly see how specific decisions, awards, and judgments from previous disputes have been considered by investment treaty tribunals, or annulment committees, or national courts. When you open up the Jurisprudence Citator under the Research Tools tab, you are presented with two categories of jurisprudence: investment treaty and ISLG jurisprudence, and non-investment jurisprudence. The second category is interesting, since all the cases listed are non-investment treaty jurisprudence. Therefore, full copies of these documents are not available on the system. This will change gradually in the future for certain categories, as ISLG introduces more documents to its collection. However, this tool still allows you to see how these outside sources have been considered within the investment treaty arbitration context. You can use filter or search a particular document in the search field above. For example, if you search for the term LC, the search will provide you with the results based on where that term appears in the case names within the tool. The results include the LC case, a judgment by the International Court of Justice. Selecting the result brings you to the entry within the tool. First, note that because the full text of this decision is not available on ISLG, you are provided with a citation, which you can copy that will enable you to easily retrieve a copy from an external source. Below, you are presented with two tools: specific references and all references. Selecting all references will present you with the reverse chronological list of investment treaty decisions and awards that have referred to the LC judgment. Selecting any of these decisions or awards will present you with a pinpoint reference, which, if selected, brings you directly to the passage where the tribunal referred to the LC judgment. This is a very useful tool since it enables you to quickly browse through the list of documents and see how they have considered the judgment in question. However, you may also want to consult specific references as well. This is because of the fact that all references do not provide you with any context on why tribunals are referring to a case. In other words, they do not tell you which issue each tribunal is considering and whether that issue is relevant to what made you interested in that case. Specific References tab provides you with that extra level of context. The tool takes all the decisions and awards listed under the General References tab and isolates them down to those that refer to a specific paragraph of the documents that you are looking up. For example, if you are interested in paragraph 128 of the LC judgment, selecting the link to the paragraph will provide you with the list of documents that have referred to that specific paragraph, and as a result, will likely limit your results to those decisions and awards that have referred to the LC judgment, because they are referring to the same issue that is relevant to your research. For example, selecting the Big Sky versus Kazakhstan award produces a pinpoint reference to footnote 541. Navigating through that footnote by clicking on Full Case and Analysis and reading paragraphs 358 to 362 reveals that the tribunal is referring to the LC case in the context of discussing the issue of arbitrariness. This will be the theme for all the cases listed under this tool. Because they are referring to the paragraph 128 of LC, they are likely dealing with the same issue dealt with in that specific paragraph. This tool saves you time by avoiding the need to review all the decisions and awards listed under All References tab, by taking you only to those decisions that are directly relevant to the issue that made you interested in that case. The same process can be applied to any of the investment treaty and ISLG jurisprudence. Rather than listing the type of cases, the cases are listed in alphabetical order by respondent state. Selecting any of the listed disputes will open up a list of documents from the dispute that have been subsequently considered by other tribunals or committees or national courts, and will present you with the same ability to look up both all and specific references to that decision or award in question. At each dispute document level, your actions options include adding the dispute documents to your notepad and document comparison tool. Copy location of the jurisprudence, as well as following the dispute document to monitor any new entries added subsequently. You may need an individual login credentials to take advantage of these features under Actions. Please see Subject Navigator tutorial video if you want to see how Jurisprudence Citator could be used in conjunction with ISLG's online encyclopedia, Subject Navigator. Thank you for watching.